Most of us celebrating the great weather, but we need to keep in mind we really need some rain pretty quickly.
We sure do. We ended October drier than normal, but that's no surprise. That's how every month has been except for last January. We had that 1 3-inch rain, which was just above normal in January. Other than that, it would have been every month for the last 13. Well, skies out there clear. Obviously not a chance of rainfall out of those skies tonight. It is 81 degrees currently. Our evening planning forecast at 8 o'clock, we're already down to 74. And then at 10 p.m. tonight, 69 degrees under a clear sky. Out in the hill country, it's 77 in Fredericksburg, but still some low 80s out there, including Llano and down in Blanco County. 80 degrees, 80 in Round Rock, 79 in Georgetown, 80 down in Buda, over to Dripping Springs and down to Wimberley, also 80. And we went right by our eastern counties there. You folks are mostly in the low 80s, too. 81 and clear at Camp Mabry. At the airport, it is 81 degrees as well. Skies are clear. Winds are south at 7 in town. At the airport, south-southeast at 13 miles per hour. Sunset tonight is 6:43. The mole count medium again today was up a little from yesterday, 918, and only ragweed showing up otherwise at 17 and low. 76 in Dallas, 79 in Amarillo. It's a warm day across Texas right now. Skies mostly clear, at least for the time being. There is a storm system, a real potent low-pressure area moving out of Utah right now that is about to cross Colorado. There are blizzard warnings in effect right now southeast of Denver. The southern suburbs of Denver could get 10 inches of snow by about noon tomorrow. Up to 18 inches in winter storm warnings in northern and central and Colorado and southern sections of Wyoming. But all this is going to do to us is bring in some cooler air, it looks like. The front itself will draw in a very rich southerly flow of moisture overnight, so by morning, some low clouds, maybe a patch of drizzle. Then the front itself moves into the hill country in the afternoon. By 6 o'clock tomorrow evening, I think it should be into or maybe through the Austin metro area. And then as it moves on down to the southeast of Austin, our computer model indicates that it reaches enough moisture that a few showers develop, maybe down here in Caldwell or Bastrop or Fayette County, but we think that probability is pretty low, less than 20%. And then it blows on down to the coast tomorrow night. We're very windy tomorrow night and first thing Thursday, and quite a bit cooler. Let me show you what it's going to do to our temperatures. Nothing tonight, just make it warmer actually. 50s and low 60s. Our forecast low temperatures for tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow afternoon, real warm out ahead of the front. With a dry south-southwesterly wind, we're likely to get up into the low to mid-80s in most locations. But a different story on Thursday. Let's get to that forecast tonight. Low clouds streaming in after midnight, 62 in the morning with a south wind at 10 to 15. Tomorrow, we'll start the day cloudy, then a mix of clouds and sun, 84 degrees, south-southwest winds 10 to 15. Sometime during the afternoon, you folks out in the hill country, we'll see that wind shift to west and then to northwest as that front moves into your area. And then again, it blows through the area tomorrow night. We're windy tomorrow night. We're windy early Thursday. By Thursday morning, 44 in downtown Austin and a high of only 67. By Friday morning, we may see our first 30s of the year, or the season anyway, in downtown Austin, upper 30s. Friday afternoon, 69. And a quick warm-up this weekend as southerly winds return. We're back to 80 by Sunday. I think all in all, the weekend's going to be good. We'll have a slight chance of rain with another system that looks a little more promising than this one from Sunday to Tuesday. And of course, again, this is the weekend when daylight saving time will come to an end, and we'll set our clocks back at 2 a.m. early Sunday morning.